Okay, here's a quick question. What is time? I know it sounds like a stupid question. We have clocks, we have calendars, we literally measure it every day. But here's where physics gets weird. You see, for a long time, scientists thought that time was universal. 1 second for you was 1 second for me, and was 1 second for everyone at the same time. But here's when Einstein comes into the play and says that time is different for everyone. Time is just not absolute, which introduced us to the theory of time dilation. That is, if you are extremely fast, time passes differently for you compared to someone who is moving differently with different velocity. And this is where the things get more complicated because time dilation was just not a theory, but we actually measured it. And with time, we learned that the speed was just not the alone factor which was affecting the time. There was gravity, which also affected and influenced time. A clock closer to a massive object ticked slower than the object which was slightly lighter than the massive object, which means speed and gravity. Both the factors were affecting the way time was behaving. But here's something even more strange. Almost every moment of your life feels like it has a direction. You remember yesterday but not tomorrow. You watch an ice cube melt but never spontaneously freezes back to the exact same shape. That direction is connected to entropy, and it's what we call the arrow of time. Finally, when we reach quantum mechanics at the smallest scales, nature already behaves in the way that completely challenges our everyday intuitions. But here's the problem. Einstein's relativity describes space and time as part of fabric of the universe, while quantum mechanics describes universe with probability and quantum states. And putting these two contradictory descriptions together, there's still an unsolved problem, which ultimately leads us to the initial part of the video. What is time?